What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? What is going on? What up? What up? What up? What up? Skirt. Right, let me get this. Participants. Panelists. Mute themselves. Okay, there we go. What up, Team Bull Money Team?
Good morning. I didn't know where you were.
What's up, Grizzly Glock? I'm just had a few things to take care of this morning. What's going on? How you doing? Good to have you back.
Man, I'm just happy to be home. Happy to be home with you all. Trade.
Yep. We missed you, dog.
Gonna rip some NQ today? What?
Oh, we're ripping it.
Good.
It's going down like the Dow Jones.
Going down like gold and silver this morning.
They getting hurt? They getting hit?
Yeah. Getting hit.
Getting hit. So how was your final flight back? You finally made it back?
Man, it was one crazy adventure. I could not get home. There was no flights, no rental cars, no bus tickets, no train tickets. So I started either buy a car to drive home or get a jet. And luckily, I got a last-minute flight and I made it home. I actually considered renting a U-Haul driving home, if that's even a possibility. That was some here in my brainstorming, which is kind of smart, you know. You like, no one thinks to rent them out, drive home.
Yep. Wait, why was there no rental cars? They were all gone?
Yeah, man. People were stuck. There's a ton of people stuck.
Get a U-Haul and drive it is crazy.
About to.
That is
Yeah, it was weather and staffing issues. They couldn't find enough flight attendants to work the flights, and that one day it was just bad weather all day. Wasn't letting any flights take off.
That's crazy. What's going on, TikTok? This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Everything done here is simulated trading. What's good, what's good, what's good? My name is Jdun. My ad is Team Bull Trading. And this live started at 7:24 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's go. Grizzly Glock. Guess what I'm putting on my screen right now?
Grizz, I'll grab my coffee. Just finish.
Yep. Previous pre-market high, pre-market low, current session POC, VWAP.
Yeah, I thought about it, Kelsey. That was my next option for sure. Well, we got 5 minutes till market open. I tried that before. Why? That's solid. Solid.
I just added that VWAP to my chart, that very wealthy after profits indicator.
Again, Team Bull, for those just joining the Zoom, I'm going to watch Asia low for a short entry if we push up.
Let's get it. Very wealthy applying patience indicator. That's what we're calling VWAP on this side. Very wealthy applying patience indicator. Jdun, what is your daily bias? Should I redeem? I do believe that you should redeem your daily bias, because if I don't have your daily bias, Jdun, I cannot trade. And if I cannot trade, what am I supposed to do? Yeah, I don't have a daily bias so far, bro. I don't try to go into the day with daily bias. I mean, clearly I look at pre-market trend. That's important. But clearly that is down as of now. Pre-market low, pre-market high. What's your... I'm going to add... I don't even got to ask you, because I'll just go add it. Hey, Grizzly Glock. The Asia low coincides with a VWAP as well. 24,562. You broke my... Pull out your shitty fibs. Jdun is losing viewers, yet you're still here. Good morning. You're still here showing up every day. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your support more than you can understand, and I pray that you have a nice green day. God bless you. I'll never understand. Rooting for you today. Let's go. We're on a win streak. We're on like a... I don't know what's wrong with people, but we got to pray for them, guys. There's something seriously wrong with some of them. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I got on later, so we're off to a little late start. I was doing some stuff. Love the way you react to weird comments. That's something people can learn from you as well, not just trading. And once you guys start winning, you'll notice people in your life. There's always gonna like the Wolf of Wall Street said. Once you start winning, there's always gonna be some a-hole trying to drag you down, right? Can we get some morning push-ups? Of course we can, baby. All right, Team Bull, here's the deal. We are going to start our day off by changing our state, We're going to change our psychology by changing our biology. And we're going to do a set of 10 push-ups together. It's been proven multiple times. Many studies, if you combine physical activity with intellectual learning, you will learn better and you will retain more. If you've ever been to a Tony Robbins event, you know this to be true. So, all right, 20 push-ups, 10, 20 push-ups, do whatever it is, jumping jacks maybe, whatever you got to do to get your heart pumping, to get your blood moving. Let's get it together right now, baby. Come on. Right now. Come on. Let's get it. 20 push-ups. Ready. Set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! All right. Let's get it. Let's go. I felt good. Woo, that felt good. Quick 20. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Okay, market's open, everybody. Let's focus up. I did 2. Does that count? Yes, it does. What's up, Gene? What's up, bro? My nose. On the nose. Oh. Oh. All right. Nose blown. Got the oh, these aren't my Puffs. Oh, yep, Kleenex Plus lotion. Always a must. Ugh. Let's get this put in. Good morning, everybody. It's a great day for you to choose DOD, discipline over dopamine. More and more people are getting paid out. More and more people are making progress. And more people are changing their lives every single morning with DOD. What's stopping you from being next? Nothing's stopping you. You're stopping you from being next. Oh, whoops. I don't want my screen sharing. I saw Grizzly's screen sharing and I just forgot about mine. Whoops. I got my coffee today. We're ready. We're on a nice little win streak too, guys. On a nice little win streak, Team Bull. Let's keep it up. Let's keep it up, baby. Hey, Grizzly Glock. Mr. Grizzly. Where's the Zoom link for Jdun? I can't seem to find it. I would help you find it, sir.
What's up, Jdun?
I was gonna ask what you were watching, if you're still watching that Asia Low, like 560. We're a ways away.
Yeah, that's pre-market. Low may be the area. Depends where we close this.
I liked that Asia Low too when I began to look, because it was also the same spot as VWAP.
I like it. Maybe we can use this pre-market low for a trend down entry. We'll see.
All I'm saying is, since I started using Grizzology consistently, Grizzly, I'm on like a 5-6 day win streak. 5 day win streak.
I like Grizzology, not because it charts I like it confirms and helps you with all that, but I like how it just puts all your levels up there.
Yeah. It's clean. You did a very good job with it. I'm not just saying that because you're my friend. It's something I really like using every day.
Agree, Nick.
DOD, believe it. I have changed my entire trading method from chasing, vengeance, FOMO, etc. DOD has shown me structure and confidence in my trade entry and results. Progress. DOD. Let's go, Johnny Trades. Let's go. I think Gene's Asia went well yesterday too. Guess what starts today, baby? March Madness. These are honestly 2 of my favorite trading days of the year. When we can just trade and hang out and watch basketball the rest of the day. Man, love it. It's my favorite. All right. Dude, if my Huskers don't win today, I quit. I quit everything. Forever. I'm just done. What do I mean by I'm done, you ask? Well, I'm just done. I'm just finished with everything. I give up. Instead of DOD, it will be quad. Quitting over dopamine. Jdun and DOD has given me a whole new perspective into trading. I still find that I'm selling too early, but revenge and FOMO trading have been reduced considerably. Thanks, Jdun. Let's go. Yeah, my Nuggets lost last night too, and my Avalanche. So I'm gonna wait for the first 15 minutes, guys. Just wait and stay impatient. We're below pre-market low. We have no 15-minute range. The only thing this indicator does is plots levels. It's not a. I mean, I guess it has like opening range high breaks and buy and sell signals worth of volume, but I don't take them. Grizzly, when Grizzology says buy or sell, you wouldn't consider that a signal, do you? I don't take it as a signal. I don't take it whenever it pops up. Curious what you designed it to be. Bro, don't want to talk to me. We got VWAP up at 544. What that means is valuable wins applying patience. That's the valuable wins applying patience indicator. That's what it stands for. That's the actual name for it.
I wish it was a little further in. I would try these shorts here. Push up a little bit.
What's up, Gene? Asia went good last night, yeah?
Huh?
Asia went good last night, yeah? You broke the losing? Doesn't that feel good? Feels good to come back and catch a banger. Catch a heater. Still just going to wait for us to get these first 15 minutes, and we're 9 minutes in, everybody.
If it was a little further in, I would try shorts here. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. I don't want to come back from traveling and feel like I'm forcing something.
Grizzly, how do you operate with the sell and buy signals that come in? I don't ever take them. I don't consider them like signals for me. I'm just curious what you designed them for.
Just to help with trend and the orb strategy. Two of them are, but the supply and demand takes more confirmation than the other two. So higher probability, but just to help guide, kind of give them a good idea of where I look to enter personally if I'm looking for that type of setup.
We don't have any nearby supplier demand on the hourly chart here.
We got room either way. So.
Yep. If we could break this downside range, we have a lot of room. I'd love to see that. I'd love to see it. Don't know if we'll get it, but I'd love to see it. Gene.
What?
I'm supposed to tell you. Dark King Joker said, "Tell Gene Jose from Instagram locked in 2 FFF payouts, 2 more tomorrow."
No.
Well, good thing you didn't take those shorts, Crazy Glock. I was with you. That looked decent. It looked decent. Please, Heavenly Father, don't let us go back into this range. Please, for everything I love, don't let us go right back into this range on the daily. At this point, we'd want to be rooting for more downside. Not only because I like trading downside, but also because we've been moving down towards this breaker range down. If we go up here, we're right back into it in this 24,000, 500 to like 25,000 area. Once we get a break above 25,200, this actually looks pretty good for upside later on. Yo, as a reminder, if you're on the YouTube, please, please, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe, trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Tap in, smash that like. How many people we got? We got 1,000 people here so far. Yeah, we have 100 likes. Come on, I know y'all can get that up to 200. TikTok, same deal. Tap that screen over and over. Get them likes moving, baby. Come on, we're gonna find another winner. Keep the win streak moving. We're going to choose DOD. I scratch your back. You scratch my back. Everyone's back gets scratched. Let's go. All right. Whoops. Didn't mean to click that. Tyler, come on, bro. Funny thing about my back. It's okay, bro. Walk away. Don't do any more damage. Tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new day, my friend. What? Why? Did you? All right, guys. 15-minute range is in. We're above pre-market low. That's interesting. We're also right above the 50% retracement. Hey, I appreciate the cowboy hat. Yeah. Cash out on the show. Staying patient and waiting, guys. Waiting for an April setup. Baby. Oh, boy. Come on. Yep. You walk away after a loser. That is, after too big of a loser. That is a win in of itself. That's right. By end of day, shorts are going to win again. I hope so. I think it's definitely a possibility. I would prefer to see that too. Let's get it, everybody. Let's see. We're testing that pre-market low. Let's see if we can find ourselves something disciplined and something systematic. Something systematic to trade. I'm going to punch your screen. Please don't do that. We're at opening price, close to it. Not a whole lot of confirmation on the 15-minute chart so far. Hey, let's go. We had someone pass one of the accounts that I gave away yesterday on Apex. Shout out my boy Gremlins. The Gremlin passed his account. There we go. That's dope. That's super solid, bro. And we got Beckmare in chat, who's got like 11 giveaway rogue code accounts that are all passed too. Crazy. You guys are bankrupting these prop firms. Copy text, okay. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, I recommend you go to Apex and get yourself a 50K trade of a end of day account. I'll put the link in chat right here. No 2-bar here. We don't have trend yet. It was a potential good. Ooh, this actually, no volume. Never mind. I'm not taking that. Dun. Pre-market low test was it. I went almost 90, almost 100 points. Our pre-market low test was it so far. I mean, I didn't take it, and I wouldn't have taken it without a little more confirmation, but that was it. That was it so far. Got FOMC out of the way yesterday. We do have OPEX tomorrow. But I still think we can get something super heat today. Ooh. We tested down into that 15-minute high, but it would have been far too much risk for me. And we didn't have volume confirming, so both were a no for me, dog. Yeah, we have triple witching tomorrow. Triple witching tomorrow. Yo, as a reminder, TikTok, if you want to see my full screen share, the full indicator, and full charting, make sure you go on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. Appreciate y'all coming to join us on YouTube every day. We're building a great community here. I love all y'all that show up every day and trust me with your education, trust me with your trading. I'll do my best to keep you disciplined, keep you smiling here and there. I try to keep our fooling around to a minimum because I know y'all are here to make money and learn discipline, but we like to have fun sometimes. Like to have fun here and there. It's going to be so nice this weekend, Gene. It's going to be so nice this weekend with weather. I've literally hardly driven the GT2. That's going to change this weekend. I don't know.
In the same setup, team that I talked about earlier, the Asia
560 area.
I'm watching. It could reject before that, but that's the only area I'm willing to track for shorts. I want to see it's kind of like wick above it and the body close back below.
I let a curse word slip once in a while, but I try not to curse. I do my best. I know that a lot of people here like have their kids listening and stuff. Out of curiosity, does anyone here at some point during the month have a kid or any of your kids that are around that could hear the live stream? Or maybe you even wanted to recommend them to the live stream to learn. I have five kids. That's awesome, bro. 12 and 15-year-olds. See, that's what I'm saying. Like lots of people have kids around. I want those people to be able to come and have a place they can recommend their kids come learn. Once in a while, I will let one slip. I don't mean to, but I try my best, all right? We try to keep it as PG as we can. Do our best. So thank you for trusting me to teach your kids DOD and hopefully get them into trading. She loves the masks. Hopefully we can put it in today. Put them on today. This is technically a valid 2-bar, guys. Technically is valid. Where's the bottom of this candle?
I bet you're looking for a possible long entry, huh?
Before I am. I don't love it with our pre-market trend, but intraday it looks all right. 475. The low of this candle is 448.
I just hope it doesn't reject right here. Come on, just a little further up.
The low here is 448. Still a bit more risk. Wanted to see it more into like lower 470s. We're still above that 15-minute high. We have pre-market high up here. As far as a strict 2-bar, it technically is valid right here.
CT.
Still nothing yet. Let's see how this 5-minute closes. See if it gives us something. Here we go. I'm waiting for this 5-minute chart to give me some confirmation. I contemplated the longs. Just wasn't 100% confident quite yet. If I do try them, I'll be lower risk. Especially with how a pre-market action was. Do we have data in a minute too? We do, huh?
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we do. Well, shucks. Now I'm definitely not taking it. I was contemplating taking it with a little more risk, but with data in a minute, I'm just going to wait for this data to come and then I'll wait. 5-minute looks okay candlestick-wise. Volume-wise, not super incredible. I'm going to wait. I just hate taking positions right before data, too. Is it when it goes well, if we were to rock it up, that's great. But when it doesn't go well, you can get stopped in about 5 seconds. I still think candlestick structure-wise, we look better for the upside on both the 15 and the 5-minute right now. Just going to wait for a better entry. Now that we got data out of the way, there's no more data today. New home sales, wholesale inventories, both out of the way. Now we find an A+ entry. Even with this pop up so far, it would have been at about 1 to 1. Just over, actually, as a matter of fact. The Jdun Think indicator is going off again. If you follow the Jdun Think indicator, she's cooking. She's cooking. The Think indicator is undefeated, huh, Dino? It doesn't miss a lot. My bias is usually pretty good. I got good market intuition. I just need to stop being a weenie and rip it. All in shorts. Well, hope you have a stop loss. I wouldn't do that quite yet. Until we see some sort of confirmation of a reversal, I'd hold off on shorts. Either that or touching a key level, like that Asia low, for example. We sweep some sort of key level, pre-market high, Asia low, then sure, try it. But if you get in the habit of just ripping shorts because they're moving higher or vice versa, it's a slippery slope to get into. Both ways. Yeah, I like that area up there too. I'll watch it with you guys. That like 560 Asia low area up here. Dun 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 dun. We could reject VWAP, but that's not enough confirmation for me. VWAP alone is not enough confirmation for me to take a trade. I like to see a key level or something with price action as well. See, you know what I wish we would have now is I wish we would have seen this candle right here up rejecting, say, Asia low. Whenever you see a candle like this, guys, just for reference, for your guys' education, on the 5-minute chart, if you see a reversal candle like this with higher volume, I like to see that breaking through a key level. Like right now, I wouldn't take this reject more than likely because we didn't break any key level. We're just, for all I know, we could just be flagging right here and then make our way higher. But whenever you have a break of a key level or a failure of a key level with price action like this, your probability that you reverse or move in the opposite direction goes up significantly. And if you are ever going to take a reversal like this, say that you like this candle, you like what you see, whatever, I'll take the shorts somewhere in here and I'll keep my stops above key level. That's how I operate. And it's a risk first type of trade. Like you manage your risk first and you protect the downside and the upside eventually will come. That's the sauce right there. Try. Like this 5-minute chart isn't looking bad for shorts. We didn't really, we touched VWAP, I guess. So that's one indication, but how strong this initial trend was, I'm just not super confident to take shorts quite yet. Why not take some calls on LNG? That puppy is down another 20, is going another 20%. I thought you said it was down another 20%. It's like, I don't catch falling knives. That's how I've been burned. That's where my biggest losses have came from. I did not play the orb today because we didn't have volume on that. I didn't have volume on that candle. Staying super, super patient, everybody. I know that it's frustrating not to take every trade. I know some of y'all come in thinking this is Pokemon. It's not Pokemon. We don't got to catch them all. It takes one good trade a day to change your entire trajectory of your trading and change your life. Yep, VPA without key levels is not confirmation. That's correct. Your trading earnings can be a big lesson too. People think they can just buy calls or puts. They don't realize what implied volatility is. What IV crush is. You trade earnings, though, you'll find out. You can either hit a home run or you get smacked a majority of the time. Damn, Grizzly, they're really going to reject us 30 points early? It's kind of foul.
I think so, man. I think VWAP was it, wasn't it?
It's kind of looking like it. We're currently trading the NASDAQ. Nasdaqita is what I call her. She's a feisty one, I'll tell you that. Nasdaqita has a mind of her own. She's great. She's amazing. She takes care of us. She provides for us. But when Nasdaqita starts acting up, you want to watch out. Emotional damage can happen, and it can happen fast. She can get a little greedy sometimes. Whip you around a little bit, get you into shape. Get you into shape. Jeez Louise, look at that. I'm still going to watch this with you too. I don't really use Asia levels that much, but could be worth a try. 650, 560. I just don't like how this chart's setting up. So you got to think of how it's going to look if we do reject. It's going to be up, flag, up, and then you have to see this lower high here and then move down. That's what I'd be ultimately looking for. Yeah, I'm with you, Shammy. I'd love to see some flush. Some flush, baby. Slush and flush. Woo! I'm also not opposed to more upside either, guys. If that's what the trend starts showing us and continues, I'm not opposed to it. I'm not going to keep that off the table. You know, I want to see downside for a few reasons. One, a main one being I don't want to go back right up into this range. We're closer to breaking the downside of the range than the upside. Oh man, Grizzly, they're going to reject it 15 points early. This right here, guys, does not look bullish. This does not look bullish whatsoever, unless we end up buying this back up. If we close this candle down here with a massive wick like you guys see, that is not what I'd look for upside, ever. Sometimes I think we're too picky with our entries, but all good. I see that argument from both sides. I look at it from a survival standpoint. I'd rather be picky and keep my quality of trades higher, which will come with ultimately missing some moves. But again, I'd rather stay alive. That's what's kept me alive. Almost 10 years of trading in May. I'll be able to tell you guys 10 years in May. What's the high here? 46. I'm not hating shorts if we pop up a little more. I think it's reasonable to think with stops above like 546. Based on this chart, I don't hate the idea. I don't hate shorts. I want to see a little more pop up, but I don't hate them up here with the risk being above like 546. Let's see how this next 5-minute candle goes. $500. See if we can get a strong break below this range. Whoops. $15-minute chart looks strong for reversal. I wish we had a bit more volume there. Longs? No, I'm looking for shorts up there. Yo, I appreciate all y'all being here and supporting. As a reminder, if you're trading with Tradeify, Apex, Alpha Futures, FFF, or Vanquish, you can use code Jdun for the best possible discounts. You support your boy, and I'll always do my best to support you with DOD, with live trading, and to give you as much value as I possibly can. Real ones use code Jdun. Real ones rock with DOD. I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button and also hitting that follow button in the top left corner if you're on TikTok. I appreciate all you guys more than you know. My ultimate mission is to help you guys learn, level up, and better your trading and better your life. I just used your code for 50K. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Give us a high volume confirmation candle. Come on. We almost got up to my short area up here. Didn't quite get there. Thought about it for a millisecond, but didn't quite get high enough to where I'd personally want to enter.
Well, I don't think it's going to give us the Asia low, Jen.
15 or 14 points away, bro.
That's all I wanted, just a little touch and this wick push back down. You know?
What's the high and low point of the day? Let's see. We're about to the 50% point of the whole day at that 15-minute high, so.
You have your London levels on right now?
No, I just have pre-market high and low. This might give us a nice continuation reversal pattern if we can get higher volume here. That'd be great. I'd look for a retest back up with stops above like 25,000. I actually really like that. If we close down here, higher volume, solid candle, look for a retest back up. For shorts, stops above like 25,000.
25,000.
Or 20 or no 24 24,500. Yeah, guys, 500 point stop. We'll go for a 500 point stop and 40 point gain. We'll have 0.1 R.
I mean, if you can get us a 1-to-1 trim, I'm down. No trades for me. I must be very patient this morning and Mr. Reject by not many points at all. So if we get a high volume candle up, Jdun, so. We got to put a Y in front of the instead of the H, Jdun. We got to have a Y.
Yeah, if we just put a 500 point stop, we can't lose, right? I could see the idea behind longs for sure. I understand it. We'll see if we push back up into like 460 to 470. Pre-market trend is down. We don't have higher vol. We don't have the volume I want to see here, though. I like the candlestick structure for continuation of the downside, but look at this. You want to see higher volume on this 5-minute. We also didn't have higher volume on this 15-minute reversal, which I don't love. The candlestick structure looks good. The volume doesn't look great. I think I'm gonna wait till we see a little more confirmation. Candlestick structure looks good. This candle looks great. I'm not in love with what we saw here. You don't have a losing trade if you don't close it. That is genius. Why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I think of that? I have not taken a trade yet. Nope. Guys, as we grow, there's going to be more haters in the chat. I respectfully ask you guys to take a second, sit back, and pray for them, because to be a grown man and to come into a free live stream that preaches discipline and helping them and positivity and hate takes a very sad life. So to the haters, we pray for you. We hope that you win in your trading. We hope you find peace in your life, you find profitability, and we wish you the best. Thank you for being here and promoting our live and putting us forward to more good people. Pray for you, my boy. Or my girl. Man. Maybe this candle will do it. Maybe this candle will do it. Insecurity is loud. You see it in every area of life. When you guys start winning in your trading, you'll see it in your daily life when people try to drag you down. When you start winning in your fitness, when you start winning in every area of your life that you're focused on applying DOD to, you'll see it. It's easy to get defensive and to want to fire back and to hurt them like they hurt you in the moment, but it's a much better solution long-term to pray for them and to realize that it comes from a place of hurt for them. Hurt people try to hurt people. Jdun trades like a solar eclipse. He trades once in a blue moon. I mean, not no. I'm very, very particular about my trades. It's funny. All right. Maybe this will give us a volume confirmation. This would be a 2-bar I'd be willing to participate in if we can get confirmation. Gene, you want to come say hi?
Yep.
All right, I had to use the restroom. Gene's coming to say hi. Be nice to him. Be nice to Mr. Gene.
What's up, guys? Damn, we reversed. What's up? ¿Qué pasó, copas? Just chilling. Yeah, I made some money on my FFF professional account now. Or today. I'm still in the professional stage. I caught the longs at like 420 to like 500. It's like 80 points. Yeah, we had a decent trade. It was pretty good. I like M and Q better. I haven't traded NQ in a while. Yeah.
My trade doing?
Oh, you're in a trade?
No.
Oh.
My potential trade. I just joined. Why is Jdun brown? Someone asked why I'm brown.
Oh, about your family from Mexico.
Yeah, I have family from Mexico. I'm Mexican. ¿Cómo estás? Me llamo Jacobo. You like that? No volume confirmation on that 15-minute candle again. Bounce pre-market low, going down on lowering volume. It almost looks like going to reverse, make a move back up. Damn, nice snipe.
This candle here just has low volume. I don't know.
That's what we call the F your puts candle. That's right. That's what we call the goodbye to your puts.
Did you trade FOMC, Jdun?
I didn't. I came back for Power Hour, but I missed his speech. Honestly, I didn't really have any interest in trading it. I had really no interest whatsoever in trading it.
Market's not making it easy on us this morning. Hoping this come back to a nice, easy market. One good trade.
We bounced that 50% retracement of the day. That shows if we can get a solid reversal candle here, but we want to go test higher.
Well, looks like it's going to have some volume if it doesn't wake back or push
Yep.
back down here.
This would be a setup where I'd be willing to, if we can get a strong close here, I'd be willing to look for a potential 2-bar with this. Trend's been up, strong close, slight pullback, go with stops below that low. I'm not sure we get the pullback, but I'm willing to watch for it.
Hope he's officially coded.
We're about to engulf this whole 15-minute candle. Jeez, Lou.
We're trying to catch Asia low. At this point, we basically made the move I wanted to trade. So we can watch it.
You know what I fear is we're going to test this 500 and then continue up, which is just a lot of risk. That's what I fear is going to happen based on experience. Good volume here. 475 to 460.
Before we enter, it'd be about 50 point worth of risk. You know? What's gold and silver doing? Are they making their way back up yet?
I don't know. I haven't checked. Damn, that went crazy. So hoping we can see a pullback and then ripper. That's what I'd like to see. Pullback, ripper. Don't. Come on. I feel like 500 might be it, though. I'd prefer like 470 to 460, but I have a feeling 500 might be it. Face melting green candle. I'd like to see that too. Have a nice day, Tyler. Tomorrow's a new day, my boy. Tomorrow's a new day. Yeah, I'll watch for this area for longs. I hope that it's not 500. I feel like it could be. There's a lot of risk there. Two rejections of VWAP. I don't look at double tops during the day. It's not something I really watch. Come on. Watching. What is this price action? Trying a piece of longs, guys. 60 to 70. I got close to 69. Tried a small piece. If you can get filled closer to 60, I like that a little more. I like that volume, though. I'm going to put my stops at 48, guys. I'm not going to have a very big stop on this. So, up about 20 points right here. It's at around 1 to 1.
Hopefully you get 500 in yuan, Jdun.
Come on.
For sure.
I'm trimming a little here in the 90s, just over 1 to 1, guys. I'm going to be safe here. I'm going to take a little off here on this push up. I didn't love my entry. And I'm going to put, there we go. I'm going to put my stops here below 63. There we go, guys. That's what I wanted to see. Taking another contract off up here. More above 500. I'd like to see high a day, but I'm going to put my risk now at 63. 69 up to 500 plus. So, not crazy, but we'll take it so far. I'd like to see high a day. We're going to guarantee this is a green trade. I'd like to see high a day. We got over 69, 59, 49. It's not bad. Come on. Push us higher. Give me high a day, please. Please. Please give me a high a day. Please. I'll look for another trade if we end up getting stopped out of this right below break even, but I'd like to see high a day. Come on. Push us up. Come on. I got the DOD cup in hand. hard stops are in. Come on, Bulls. Show me what you're made of, baby. Show Daddy what you're made of. Move up, move up. Move up, move up, move up. Come on. No. Other way. Other way. That's not up. That's not up. I got the bull mask on, not the bear. No. Up, 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 up. Upwards dog. This is not flow class. This is not yoga. We don't want downwards dog. We want upwards dog. Come on.
Are you in trade still, Jdun?
Yeah, but if you see something you like, take it. I got my stops just under break even, green trade regardless. If you see shorts or something you like, please take it. You won't offend me.
So we gotta think. If we take shorts, our stop loss would be at 540. Everyone, so if the position accordingly.
You see something you like, you take it, my boy.
Well, it's just gonna sell right off. And not
Yep. The trade's over for me. Hey, we'll take the green though. We'll take it. We'll take it. From 69 up to 509 almost. 508.75. So 40 points at the peak.
That was
What?
short. I just hesitated.
A lot of y'all probably got better entries than I did too, because we went down first. We went from like 69 down to 60, then back up. It's all right. We'll take it. Might get your short entry again. I thought the bull mask was going to work. I had high hopes. I wanted to. If we would have gotten high day, that would have been a nasty trade. 69 to like 550. It was okay though. We'll take it. Another base hit. Another base hit. That 5 minute looks like we want to reverse, man.
We'll just push up a little more. I'll try some shorts. If our stop loss has to be at 540, I don't want to have this much risk.
Come on. Don't be a weenie.
I should have taken the previous candle when we pushed back up, because that red candle confirmed.
Yeah, I know. That was my worry too. As soon as I got in my entry, I seen that. So close. I was like, oh, crap. I said, oh, shoot. It's all right. We got up to 40 points, probably 25, 30, 35 points, depending on your entry. Not bad.
Would have been in at 500.
I'm watching for that short with you too. Wanted to see a banger 50-plus pointer.
We have to position accordingly. Everyone, if we track shorts at 500, you have to position for a 40-point stop loss. So.
Come on, Grizzly. It's March Madness. No risk, no Rari.
I got Arizona winning, Jdun.
I want a Cinderella story with the trades, baby.
I got my bracket filled out.
Did you? Yeah, everyone in Team Bull. I think you can still fill it out. We're giving away a ton of free accounts.
Oh, I didn't. Did you post one in Team Bull?
Yes. Oh, you were gone. Bro, yeah, please fill out your bracket for Team Bull. I'll post it in the chat again. The password, if it makes you do one, is DOD. Sorry that trade didn't go farther, guys. I wanted it to. If you guys want to join the Team Bull challenge, it's in the chat. Join the bracket. Go fill one out. Auto-generate it if you have to. If you win, you can win up to 5 accounts and a year in Team Bowl. Second place is getting 3 funded accounts, and third place is getting 1 funded account. It looks like we want to dump. I mean, we reject view op twice. This candle looked great. That 500 entry would have been it right here. Stops above that high. But good scalp. We'll take it. First trade day in months, 2 for 2 small grins. I'll take it now. Walking away is the hard part. Walking away is the hard part. What's up, Alan? Good to see your face in here, bro. Walking away is the hard part. That's where DOD comes in. That's why, everyone's excited about the walkout feature on Trade of 8 and Project X. I understand. But my goal as a mentor to you is to give you the discipline and help you develop the discipline to be able to look at your charts and not trade. Why does it take a button for you not to trade? I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to be honest. Like, why does it take you locking yourself out not to trade? Why can't you be so disciplined in your trading and in your life that you say, I'm going to keep my promise to myself. I promise myself I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to trade. That's the point I want you guys to get to. If you're not there yet, then I guess I get it. But I want you guys focusing on getting to the point where you are in the emotional control of your trading. You feel me? It's the same thing as like a diet, right? If you can't control yourself on your diet or your workouts or any promises you make in your daily life, there's no lockout feature you can just press on your body. So why do you need one in your trading? Why can't you take control of your trading? Why can't you take control of your emotional decision making? And sorry, yeah, go ahead. Yep, interrupt me. Please call out your trade if you see it. It's tough. It's a little tricky. Said Redditruetide is a walkout feature on diets. You're stupid. Bro said Redditruetide is a walkout feature on diet. That is crazy. You're hilarious. Sleep is my only lockout feature. Y'all are too funny. I tried. Listen, if you're at the point where you have to use a lockout feature, then do it. I'm just saying my ultimate goal for you is to be able to have the emotional discipline to not need that. You can control your trading. You can keep promises to yourself. I don't know why that angers so many people. What's wrong with that? It's the truth. I do this. I do mentoring and teach to help you make progress, not to be nice. You watch it for a trade?
Yeah, try shorts there at VWAP, everyone. I mean, it's an M&Q shorts. If it hits my stop,
540?
Jdun's fault.
My fault.
I got filled at like 513. Even though I tried to buy you before that. But it filled me.
I didn't get a great fill in my shorts either earlier. Or my longs, excuse me.
In shorts, 513 where I got in.
News candle. Let it die.
Let's go straight down. Rip straight down. Go down.
Downwards dog. It's yoga time, baby. Come on.
540 is my stop on this, everyone. He hits it. We try. $540 stop loss. I'd like to get below 480 for some trims. Pre-market low would be a ideal price target. We may get it.
I mean, you at least you know, even if it didn't work out, you got the initial push down, so you had the right idea. That always gives me a little bump of confidence. If I take a trade, it doesn't work out. At least we got the initial move in that direction. Like you're in some profit. Just a matter of getting to your TP. I'm not in the trade. No. I don't hate the idea. I just didn't get an entry up there.
Come on, rip down, quick play.
I like the idea. I'm rooting for the idea. I'd love to see us just move.
All right, come on. This is what we're looking for. Push down.
Go straight through here. High volume reversal candle too. Looks good, Grizzly.
I'm trimming here, everyone. I'm moving my stop to entry. Fill it on the trim. Stop to entry.
Nice job, my boy.
Pre-market low out of this. 513. Stop. I'm talking about coming back with a nice winning trade.
Yeah, nice job. Welcome back.
Hey, for all them Ubers.
I love trading with you. It's nice because we trade pretty much the same too. In a sense. I mean, obviously we have our own nuances, but for the most part, we trade pretty much the same.
Yeah.
Which is really nice. Yeah, Grizzly, you got to make back all your Uber rides, bro.
Yeah, for real, man. Them Uber rides added up. I guarantee you I spent over $3,000 on Uber. Come on, don't push back up for entry.
Oh. If you guys made some money with Grizzly or myself, make sure you post it and post your gains and tag us. We love to see it.
We do.
We got to outdo Brandon and GD in there.
It's 513. I'll be on the trade, everyone. Green trade regardless. Yeah, we're just chopping this chop zone. It's gonna be I think there's a good move coming today. Yeah, it's just going to chop around.
Someone named Mr. Bish says thank you, Grizzly.
Very welcome.
I'm not saying your whole name, bro. He thought you were going to get me there. Bro thought he was being sneaky. Not being sneaky. Here's the deal too, guys. Here's the deal too, guys. If you guys want to join Team Bowl for free Friday tomorrow, for our private stream where there's no lag, a lot of you guys ask where you can get no lag. That's in the Discord on Zoom. It's right away. YouTube has like 3 to 5 seconds. TikTok, same deal, 3 to 5 seconds. If you guys want access to my free stream tomorrow, my private stream, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Go right now. Go to your Instagram, type in Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, all one word, and then send me a message. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the private stream. I post a lot of value on IG too. JDUN Trades. So again, if you guys would like access to trade with me tomorrow with zero lag and my private Zoom link, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. You'll get access to Zoom tomorrow. I know it wasn't a crazy big day, but let's show that man Grizzly some. Where'd my YouTube go?
That's going to be the only trade I take today. I'm going on a crazy busy day. I take care of some stuff. So.
You running behind?
Oh man, I got so much stuff to do.
Hey, let's.
I'm just going to retest VWAP and sell off. Is that what I was doing here?
2 winning trades on voice today. One from Grizzly, one from myself. If you guys caught a base hit with us, let's show that man Grizzly some love now that he's back. If you guys made a base hit with us, type in the chat. I don't care if it's as little as $1. I don't know how it'd be $1. Show that man, show us some love. Come on, how much y'all make on the base hits today? 2 winning trades, both with practically zero drawdown. Talk to me. Talk to me, live stream. How much you guys make on our trade? 630, 1200, 244, 900. $2. We'll take it. 100, 149, 163, 323, 446, 500, 526, 412. I love the base hits, guys. 600, 500, 100, 900, 108, 91, 457, 600. We love base hits on this side, guys. It's real. Love our base hits. We're not going to let the industry and social media fool anyone here. Base hits are how you get paid long term. You manage your risk. You don't nuke 100 signals. You take quality, good trades. And you manage your risk in the meantime.
All right, everyone. I'll see you in the morning, okay?
You out of here, bro?
Yeah, I gotta go.
All right. See you, bro. Bye. Then you were left with Mr. Jdun. Again, if you guys want access to my private stream tomorrow on Zoom where there's no lag, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. I got you. I'll message you back personally and get you the link. If you just message me DOD, I'll know what you're talking about. How about that? If that's easier, if you don't want to type as much, just go to Instagram and message me DOD. And I'll get you the link for tomorrow. All one word, Jdun Trade. Just message me DOD, and I'll get you the link for tomorrow into the Discord. Another trade. Come on. Tim, I got you tomorrow, my boy. If we see something else good, sure. But that's not how we trade here. I mean that respectfully. We might see the GSI fire, the Grizzly Sell Indicator. Because I want it all. It started out with a kiss. How did it end up like this? Started out with a trim. How did it end up going up 100 points with him? Because I'm DOD. I'm disciplined. DOD. Watch me trade and watch me win. DOD. You already know. DOD. We're putting our stops in place and letting it go. Oh, yeah. Because I'm DOD. See me in the charts. Because I'm DOD. I don't know what rhymes with charts besides like farts or something. I don't know how I'd tune that in. So I'm just gonna stop there. I'm just gonna call it there. Let Unk cook. Y'all gotta chill with the Unk stuff. American Idol next, bro. How many of y'all are have been around here long enough to remember when they asked me to go on The Bachelor? Does anyone remember that from my Instagram? When they reached out, like, you think you can make a good contestant for The Bachelor? I'm like, what? Oh, that was hilarious. Back in like 2021. The Bachelor. All right. Sorry, guys. I'm quitting trading live. And well, to audition for it. Like, we think you make a good fit to audition for the next season of The Bachelor. I'm like, wow, you think I'm cute? My mom said the same thing. Kidding. Yeah, audition. Yeah. Of course, you got to audition to be on The Bachelor. I think I didn't really look into it at the time. I wasn't super interested in going on. Look at this move now. What's this volume look? Hello. You taking any trades today?
Yeah.
How'd it go?
Good. I take long for a long time ago. I got first initial move up.
I'm ready to start dropping some bangers on Tesla again. I'm about sick of not trading Tesla. Looks like Grizzly had a good stop on his shorts. We closed that candle above VWAP, and now we're moving. It's kind of my fear. Should have kept my original stops in place below 48. That would have been a banger. Would have been a 100-point trade. So I'm happy with what we got. I'm cool with it. See you, Barely Bullish. Thanks for being here today, bro. Thank you for all you guys being here today. Damn, I'm going to tell Grizzly, don't look at your Asia reject. I call Chris. Say, don't look at your Asia reject. We'll see if it goes further. He's typing. He's probably like, bro, I know. Watch it just die now. Oh, no, Grizzly Glock. Bro just sent me the skull emoji. Rip. Oh, man. Bro's got to be pissed. Oh, wow. There's that Asia low sweep he was watching for. Damn. I see you guys DMing me. If you want access to my private live stream tomorrow, DM me on Instagram. All you got to say is DOD. My Instagram is Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. You'll get access to Grizzly and I both in our private live stream. All you got to message me is DOD. I'll know what you're talking about, and I'll get you an invite for tomorrow. I got you. There's a lot of people DMing, so give me a bit, but it's JDUN Trades. My personal account is at Jdun. Don't message that one. There's a lot of value on there. I appreciate you guys supporting and hitting that follow button. I think you'll get a lot of discipline value there. I post a lot of life stuff and my personal life and business and all that fun stuff on that account. But DM me on Jdun Trades. This is an interesting spot because price action itself looks like it wants a reversal again. Dun, 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 dun. I can change, I can change, I can change. What's up, Gene?
Dude.
And the shorts actually look decent up there. If we can get a nice reversal, it'd be nasty. It would be nasty. See how the 15-minute turns out. We're above VWAP, but we're below that aggressive wick and sweep of a key level. Market is weak today. It's been okay. I had a winner. There's a Glock had a winner. Until we break out of this range, it's just been survival for me. I'm just happy to survive and stay small green. This is your last chance to get your brackets in, guys. I'd love to have you play with Team Bull. We have 237 people in the bracket. That's not the candle you want to see for a reject. Road I've ever known. How to play? You got to sign up inside the Discord or on YouTube. Team Bull. I'm with you, don't sweet to be. This is where I want to be. You guys got one more chance to join. Oh, dun, 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 dun. Let's see if this Asia low finally acts as our resistance and dies. Go fill out your brackets right now if you guys haven't yet. It's my trading style. Price action and discipline. It perfect retested that level. Tested it and it's died. I just texted Grizzly. I said, don't look. This might give us an entry, guys. We break out of this. 520, 560. I'm willing to look for a retest back up for shorts up here, guys. It'll be my last trade. I'll likely take it on the fundeds, but this candle looks good. We'll see. I might take it on the live too. Oh, there we go. I like this retest up, not here, but I like the idea of shorts. One more try if we get up to like 520, maybe 510 for earlier entry. But we're breaking the structure. We rejected Asia low. We're back below VWAP. It looks like we want to get a nice move down now. Come on, give us some sort of retest back up. Or a 2-bar right here. I'd be okay with that as well. Not necessarily a technical 2-bar, actually, correction, but a solid reversal candle with higher volume. What a fake out on the 15-minute chart. Look at that volume and candle. The second one's reacting. I'm talking. Can you not hear me? Check, check. All right, you should be able to. You're not trading gold. All right, Gene, it's time to start drinking my espresso. Already 3 shots of espresso deep. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, one retest back up. Looks like we're going to get that 2-bar, though. Not 2-bar, but continuation from reversal. $75. Here's my angle here. Is if you want to try to catch more continuation to the downside, you can try a higher risk trade here at 475, 480 with stops above 500. Or if you want a little better risk trade, you wait for like 500 to 520 and you keep stops above this 565, which also coincides with Asia low. Trying a small piece of shorts up here. Try the shorts up there, guys. Small piece of shorts. Moved really quick, but I did try the shorts up there. And we're freaking moving. I moved really fast, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't want it to move that fast. If you're listening to that 75 area, I got filled a little lower. I'm going to go ahead and move my stops because this is a later in the day trade to 76. So it'll be just barely red if it doesn't go to my price target. We touched up here. I don't want us to go and reclaim this and move up again. So the 2-bar, in a sense, or the 50% retracement hit almost to a T, moved really fast. I'd like to see continuation to the downside. An ideal entry, I'd like to see us move up to like 500 to 520 and then just die. I have my stop set just about break even. Or just below break even. I'll push it hardcore to the downside. Let us just die. Let us just die. Come on. I fear we're going to hit a higher low here that's going to end up being a doji reversal candle. We'll see. I'm still interested. I'll stick around a little longer in case we get this like 510 to 520 area. I still think that could be a reversal. If we follow any sort of trend like we did pre-market, I still think this market wants more downside. Still think it wants more downside. And my stops are just below break even, guys. I'd like to see us break this low of 440 and just die. You know what? I'm going to go. I don't like how this moves. I'm going to go ahead and take a little off here at horrible risk reward and put my. I'll just keep my stops where they are. That's fine. I'm about ready to dip out of here. I'll have an alert set if we get to like 500 to 520. We'll see. Maybe we get my move now. Maybe. 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 Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. I had to take a little off. There we go. I'm going to take a little more off here, guys. Let's go. Come on. That 2-bar retracement, guys. That's all we wanted. Let's see if we can get more. Let's see if we can get more. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly what I wanted to see on that retracement back up to this 50% and then move down. So if you were able to catch a piece of that even a little later, this is the area that I think it makes sense to take some off. Come on, give us more. Give us mo. We want more. We want pre-market low, baby. We want pre-market low. Is anyone in this? Anyone take that up there? You just clicked SH. You just clicked poop. It's all right. If you missed it, at least you understand the why. I'll give it to you. It moved very quick up at the 75 area, but if you're able to get an entry, it worked out really nice. But I understand if it was too quick, for sure. Honestly, I really don't care if you took it or not, and I mean that in the most positive way. I care that you learn the why. And I'd like to see us continue down now. I'd like to see us continue this trend to the downside. Don't. No bad trade. Oh, shush. It was not a bad trade. You can't say bad trade when there was literally zero drawdown. Literally zero drawdown. 700 on that trade and passed an eval. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I want pre-market low out of this, guys. Stop finding support at 420 and let us die to pre-market low. Let's go. You should post that and post your gains too, bro. Congrats, bro. That's awesome. Told you guys, the losing streak was over. Come on. I'll move my stops down, everybody. Stops are at 62. This market looks like it wants death. It looks like it wants some death. Let it die. Let it die. Come on, let it die. Let it die, baby. Let it burn. Burn it down to pre-market low. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. Let it burn. If you guys haven't taken some off and you took that up there, please be smart and trade with DOD. Let's go. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. I'm trailing my stops down now on the rest to 37. 37, everybody. Let's go. 2 for 2. Yes, yes, yes to the yes. I think we got to reward everyone who stayed on with me today, too. That's all I'm going to say. If you know what that means, you know, and if you don't know, well, you just simply just don't know. Stops are set at 37, everybody. Pay done, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. We want low a day now. We want low a day now. You use DOD. You don't have to chase. Guys, if you're feeling FOMO right now, this setup will come again. There's no need to chase. You're not missing out on anything. Sure, you missed one trade. Who gives a crap? It's going to come again. There's no reason to have FOMO. There's no reason to be bummed out. We'll catch the setup again. It's not a big deal. It ain't that deep. It's okay. We'll catch the setup again. I promise. So if you were feeling FOMO, No need to feel it. Just relax. I got you. Pay down will come again. We'll hit it again. The setup will come again. It's all good in the hood, guys. No need to chase. No need to chase, guys. It'll come again. It's all good. Just choose DOD. All right. I got a little present for y'all. But before we do that, I want to celebrate the win streak. I want one more roll call. If you took either of my trades today, I want you to type in how much you made. Show some love, baby. If you took either trade, maybe you missed the first one, took the second, missed the first. Talk to me. If you guys passed an eval, made even a base hit, talk to me, baby. Let's get some good positive energy flowing. If you took either of my trades today, how much you make? 290, 600, 800, 670, 215, 225, 500, 163, 140, 528, 350. Let's go! 2 winners, baby. Come on. Pass the eval. 700 past eval. Let's go, baby. And because you guys were so generous, you guys were so kind to trust me sticking around a bit longer today, do I got something for you? You guys see Jdun typing, y'all just start shutting up. 5 EK. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. She's a good trader. Loves nice Nikita. Loves calls. And sometimes puts 2. She's a good trader. Crazy about pivot points. Loves EMAs. And retracements too, yeah. It's a long trade. Being with Jdun. There's a free. All right, you guys were so kind to stay on with me. I got something for both TikTok and YouTube right now, so y'all better be paying attention to chat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. TikTok, code sent. Code sent in TikTok. YouTube, code sent in YouTube. First one to get it with Apex Trader Funding. Shout out Apex. Gets a free account of any of your choosing. You guys better been watching. Oh, and Team Bull. I got something for y'all too, baby. 3, 2, 1. Y'all better be quick. There's 3 codes there. First come, first serve. One person gets one of each. Shout out Apex Trader Funding. The more you guys support, the more free accounts they give us to give away. Let's see who got one. I posted 3 inside Team. What's up, Jimmy? What's up, bro? Man, life's so good now not being a prop firm owner, bro. I love this life way more just trading and doing what I love. It's good to see you, bro. I see you doing well on X, too. Hope your trading's been great. I'm sure it has been. Oh, man, that was one of the hardest times of my life, bro. I was always just trying to do the right thing and keep everyone happy and yeah. But it's good times now. I'm happy. I'm valuable for every experience in life, and I love what I do now. It's great. I just be chilling every day, trading, doing what I love, what I started out doing. Damn, y'all got the codes. Who all got them? Got the second one. Sac Honda got the second one. Who got them? 2J got one. You're always quick with it. Gonna free phone. No such code. Huh. Must have gotten taken. Definitely was a code. Ah. You guys got lucky on TikTok. I had a typo. You guys got lucky. Well, someone got lucky. I had a typo. You're right. All right. This isn't a typo, though. That's not a typo. Let's go. Made good money in the fundeds and on the live account today. I'm excited. Was good. Got my third payout on Apex approved thanks to Jdun and DOD. Let's go. Yeah, if you guys got those accounts, those were with Apex Trader Funding. Shout out them. The more you guys use code Jdun, the more accounts they give me to give away. So thank you guys for supporting. Always gets the best possible discount. And with their new plans, there's no denied payouts, end of day drawdown. Lots of good things happening. Lots of good things happening, everybody. If you guys want to tap in with Apex, I recommend the 50K Trade-Evate end of day account. It's $29 after discount. Fixing for a payout tomorrow. Let's go. All right, brother. Appreciate your hard work today. I've been on almost every day the last 3 months or so. I've had a lot of downs and I'm done experimenting. Just going to stick to this daily call. Let's go. If you guys are in the YouTube, yep, there's that pre-market. I just posted the link to Apex. Go use code JDown in the 50K Trade-Evate account. It's only $29. That's all I ask you guys do to support me. If you're trading with Alpha Futures, Tradeify, Apex, FFF, that's my list of futures firms. My top are Apex and Tradeify by far, then Alpha. Then I have a code of FF. I just don't talk about it a lot. Then Vanquish as well works. Vanquish if you're an options or stocks trader. Don't know. Vanquish code. Yep. If you guys are trading options, maybe we'll run a Vanquish challenge. Maybe for the options traders, we'll run a Vanquish challenge. You can use code JDUN for 20% off. We have a lot of traders that have been paid out by Vanquish too. I'll post the link to Vanquish if you want to get I recommend the 10K account to start, the 10 to the 50K advanced options. I took 2 trades. Yep. This retest right here was a banger. It was quick, but it was a banger if you got it. All right, guys. Here's the deal. I'm going to hide one more code for Apex in one of the channels inside Team Bull. I'm going to pick a channel. I'm going to hide a code there. Gene, want to help me pick a channel to hide the code in?
Yeah.
One of the codes, one of the channels. I'm going to hide a rogue code in. Which one should we pick? Think this one?
I don't think they'll see it coming.
You think they'll see that coming? See, I know what a lot of people are thinking. Maybe we do the most obvious choice. Maybe we did the least obvious. All right. Mark told me y'all are going through and reading every channel. That's smart. That's smart. I gotta do it before you guys all do that. All right. She's posted. Let's see who gets it. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna find it first? Whoever gets it has got to post in chat when they use it. Free market plan. Yep, they didn't see that one coming. Shout out Gene. Damn, Mr. White got it. Woo! Oh,
Mr. White is killing it.
Like Walter White up on that, baby. Ooh. All right, guys, I'm out of here for today. Let me look at the weekly schedule. Brandon's on Power Hour today. I got basketball to go watch. All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in with Team Bold today with myself. Hope you guys trade smart, trade safe, do something positive for yourselves today. If you are on 75 Hard, if you're on a journey of sobriety, I pray that you have another day of positivity there, another day of progress. If you're fixing your diet, if you're fixing your workout, if you're fixing your gut, stick with that discipline. I know how hard it can be. And every bit of discipline you're building in your daily life applies directly to your trading. Don't forget that. So trade smart, trade safe, everybody, and I'll see you guys later. Have a good rest of your day, guys. See ya. Peace. Bye, everybody. I can't have. Make it last. Make it last a while. You help me out when I'm down. No. Oh. All right, guys. Peace.